Hi guys, welcome to Chicken Tech YouTube channel where we create helpful videos regarding Wordpress, website design and various online technical things. Yeah, you're welcome. And in this video today, we'll actually be looking at how to create a complete WordPress website, a complete professional looking business WordPress website. So guys, in this video, we will actually be creating our first basic professional business website that actually looks like this. Yeah, so it's going to have a full complete design template, so and as well as going to have home page that we are right now. It's going to have an about page, the services and contact page. So if you should go to the about page, you'll be able to see the about page design. So these are the things we'll actually be doing in this video, and as well as the services page where you can find jobs. As you can see here, we'll be doing all of this in this video, and as well as the contact page. Yeah, right here. So very quickly guys, let's get straight right into it. Just stay tuned and make sure you watch this video to the end for you to be able to actually learn how to create a full website like this. And so right now guys, we'll actually continue with the website that we actually created using free hosting in our previous videos. And to be able to create the type of website I just showed you right now, we need to log into our website, which I'm actually going to do now. So now I am on my dashboard. So to be able to create that type of website, we need some particular plugins. Yeah, we need some particular plugins. So to actually get those plugins, all what we need is to come here to where it says plugins right here. So then I'll come to add new. So if I click on installed plugins, it's actually going to bring me to this place where we have our plugins. As you can see, we already have two plugins here, and these two plugins were actually installed by WordPress. They are the default two plugins that actually comes with WordPress. So but right now I want to install my own plugin that I actually want to use for the purpose of this website training. So what I'm going to do is I can decide to click on this add new here, or go up here to click on the add new. So what I'll do, I'll just click on this add new. I'll open it in a new tab. So now the plugins that we actually need, we need basically just two plugins. Yes, and the first plugin that we need is called Elementor. So this plugin is actually the plugin that we use to create our web pages and to also design it. So I'm going to click on install and then activate. So now it has installed. So what we need to do now is to click on activate. So now this is the Elementor setup welcome window. So we actually don't need anything here. So what you need to do is just come to the right corner up here where you see this close icon. Just click on it to close it, so you can go back to your dashboard. So if you should go back to your installed plugins, then you will discover that we already have Elementor installed. So the next plugin that we need is, we click on this add new again, and then we search for Envato. Then we click on install now, and we click on activate. And so right now, looking at this place, we can see that Envato element has just been installed and activated. So right now we have Envato element and we have Elementor installed, so we can start creating our website. And don't forget, in our last video we actually installed Hello Elementor theme. So in case if you have not installed your theme, just go on ahead and install Hello Elementor right now, so we can start creating our website. So I'll just close this tab again. So let's go to our pages. So I'll go to all pages. So I already have 4 pages created here. Remember, in our last video I taught you how to create all of these pages. So, and if I should open, you can actually view your page from here. So if I should right click or open this view in a new tab, you're actually going to be able to view the home page, and this is our home page. As you can see right now, we have nothing yet on our home page. So what we want to do right now is we go to this place where it says edit. So click on edit. So we want to edit our home page. So now we have a button here called edit with Elementor. If you remember previously in our video, we do not have this button here. The reason why we have this button here is because we have actually installed, let me reload this place. It's because we have actually installed and activated Elementor plugin. So that's why we can see this button here. So this is the button we actually need, because we actually want to edit this place and design this home page using our Elementor. You know, I told you the Elementor plugin is actually used to create and design web pages. So right now I'm just gonna click on the edit with Elementor button to start editing our page. Yeah, and so this is what we call the Elementor editing area. So this is where we can start creating our home page. So what we want to do right now is, if you look at this left side, this is what we call the Elements tab. This is our navigator, and this is the widgets, our widgets right here. So right now this is the add new section. We use it to add a new section. This is template, where we can get templates, and this is the Envato elements. Don't forget, we actually installed a plugin called Envato element here. So because we have actually installed and activated this plugin, and that's why we have the icon right here, the widget right here. So we would actually be creating our professional website using the Envato element template. So just follow along and do whatsoever I do in this video so as to get your own result as well. So what I will do right now is I'm going to click on this Envato element icon. So as you can see, after clicking on the icon, it took me to this window where it says installed kit. So right now we have no kit installed. This is where we have premium kits. So the kit simply means templates, ready-made website design templates. As you can see, we have a whole lot of premium kits, but you need to understand that these premium kits are actually not free. If you want to use these kits that you are seeing right here, you have to pay for it, and it's a monthly and yearly payment. You have to pay for it. So for the sake of this video, we won't actually be going through the premium kit. We go to the free kit. This is the free kit here. So as you can see, we have the free kits. These ones are templates that you can actually use for free. Yes, so you don't have to pay for any of them. So if you come here to where it says categories, you can see we have various categories. We have trade services, we have events and music technology, meaning that if I should click on these trade services now, it's going to bring to me templates that are relating to, sorry, I just closed it mistakenly, so I'll go back to it now. So let me click on trade services again. So these are templates that are related to trade services. Do you understand? So you can also go to the next page. So if I click on technology, it's going to give me templates that are relating to technology. So but for now, I actually don't want to check for any categories, so I'll just click on free kit again so it can bring all of the designs again. So to actually get the design that I showed you in the beginning of this video, just go to this 12 here. So then you scroll down. This is it here, recruitment business. So all you have to do is just come here to where it says 12, or you can just click on next to get to 12. So then you come to recruitment. So one thing about this template is that you can always preview. As you can see, we have the preview and the install kit button. So if I should click on this preview right now, it's going to actually load for us the website preview. And as you can see, this is the website preview. So what you can do from here is that you can be able to actually check what you want to install first to see how it look like. So if I should click on this place now, it's going to load for me just that single page, as you can see. So you'll be able to check what you want to install, at least to preview it first before eventually installing it. So you can do that for other templates. I'll just go on ahead to install this template. So I'll go back to the template. So you can also check other templates if you don't wish to use this one that I've used. Whichever one you just wish to use, just install it. So I will click on install kit right here. So now it says as you can see now, the install kit has changed to view kit. So if I should click on view kit, it's going to take me to installed kit. You know, the other time when we came to installed kit, we cannot find any kit installed. It's because we have not installed any. So we just installed our first kit, which is the recruitment business. So if we click on installed kit here, it's actually going to take us back to the installed kit. So as you can see, we only have recruitment business kit installed now. So I just want to show you how it actually looks like going back. So I'll click on the view installed kit again. So what we want to do right now is we want to install requirements. As you can see, it says there are 4 requirements that need installing for this template kit to work correctly. So click on install requirements here, and as you can see, all of them has actually been marked. So although there's one of them that would actually install, which is the Elementor Pro. So the Elementor Pro is the premium version of the Elementor we are using now, and to actually get that you have to pay. So that's why I will just untick it right now, because we are using the free version. So I will click on install above selected requirements. As you can see, all of them actually root sources except this Elementor Pro. So just click on close. So it remains just one, so you can just ignore it. So every other thing will work well even without the Elementor Pro. So what we want to do is, don't forget, we're actually editing our own page. We are currently editing our own page. So what we want to do is we want to insert this home template. As you can see, if you look at it, it is the home template. So what we want to do now is we want to insert this home template inside our home page that we are currently designing. So what we'll do is I'll click on the insert template here. So then I'll wait for it to actually reach 100% for it to actually import the template on my home page. And so as you can see, the template has successfully installed. So if I should scroll down, you see we already have all of the sections installed on the home page. So we have it all. So what we can do right now is, if you look at the left hand side at the bottom here, we have a button called update. So this is where you save your work, your design. So right now I want to save this, so I'll just click on update. So I'll make sure it changes color to dark. So right now it has been updated. So if you actually want to view your website, you want to actually view how the home page actually looks like, you can come here to this eye icon where it says preview changes. So once you click on it, it's going to open your web page on another tab, and as you can see, it will have it full here. So this is how our home page actually looks like now. So as you can see, we have our home page design ready. So one more thing I want us to do is, looking at this place, we have home written boldly at the top, and to me it looks so unprofessional. So what I want to do is, we have to remove this from it. So to actually do that, go back to our Elementor editing area. So to remove that, we go to settings here, this place, click on settings, then go to where it says page layout, then click on this place to drop down, then we change it to Elementor full width. So then we click on update. So right now it's going to make sure the home is actually gone, so we can have our design to actually fill the whole page. So as you can see, our design is already filling up the whole page. So if I should click on update, and let me check the you can go back to, you can decide to click here again to actually check your design in the new tab. So as you can see, we have our design actually taking up the whole space. So that's what we actually want. So what we need to do now is to edit our design. So to edit our design, we'll actually be using our Elementor. So it's very easy to actually edit the design. So for example, if I actually want to change what is written here, for example, if I should click on this recruitment now, as you can see on the left side, we see it pop up here. So right here, we can actually change the write up. Can change, maybe we can say business. As you can see, it changed. So this is the navigator, but for this video we won't actually be using it, so I'll just close it. So, and find and post job, if you click on it right now, you can see you can decide to change it to whatever you want. You can say okay, work. So you can just play around all of these and look at their way of design, and look at this too. You can change it here. You can also go to style. This is where you can change the typography, the size. So the size. So what I want you to do is to actually play around all of these settings here to see the things that you are able to actually do with your Elementor page builder. But in this video, I won't actually be going into editing all of it here. So because what I want to actually do is to create other pages too. So but one thing I'm actually going to do before going is, I'm going to show you in case you want to change picture. So you can just click on the picture right like this, and as you can see, if I should click on it, so you can come to where it says media library. Yeah, so then you can change it to any picture that you want. So if I should click on this and click on insert media, as you can see, the picture has been changed. So that's how it is. So I will click on update now, so our changes can be updated. So if I should click on this place again, it's going to take me to my website. As you can see, it has been updated. So very quickly, let us create our other pages, because if we should come here right now, it's only our home page that actually takes form. If I click on the about page now, you see everything is still blank, services is still blank, contact is still blank. But if I should click on home page, now we already have our design on our home page. So what I want to do is want to create the designs for other pages. So to do that, we go back to our dashboard here. So we click on all pages. So now that we've clicked on all pages, let's go on ahead and edit the about page. So I'll click on the edit button here. So then I'll click on the edit with Elementor. So as you can see, that is it. So and then I'm going to click on the invert to element. We already have our template here, the recruitment business. So I'll click on view installed kits. Then I will check for the about page template. As you can see, this template actually comprises of our home, about, career, jobs, job listing, candidate facts, contact us, and so on. So we have two designs for the home, but we have used this. So right now I want to actually create design for our about. So this is what we're going to do. Come to about here. So I'm going to click on insert template. So we're going to wait for few seconds for you to actually import the template. So our about template has also been installed successfully. So what we're gonna do now is we are going to remove this place as well. So to do that, go to our settings and change it to Elementor full width. So and then we click on update. So it has been updated. So if I should click on preview changes, then we can see how our about page actually looks like now. So right now if I should go to our home, as you can see we have it on our home too. So let's edit our services page and contact. So I'll repeat the same process for the services and contact right now. So because we do not have a template in this free template that we installed for the services page, so what I will do is I'm just going to use this as our services page just for the sake of this video. So I'll just click on insert. And so we have successfully created the designs for all of our pages. So if I should go to home now, you will see we already have our home page design. If I go to about, we already have our about page design. Go to services, we have our services page design, and as well as our contact page design. So there's one more thing that I need to do before we finally end this video, and that is our header here. As you can see, our header does not actually look well with the color of the design. We are using somewhat green and white, but here we are having something, we have wine color on our logo, and so I don't want that. So what we need to do right now is to go back to our dashboard. So from your website, so far you are logged in, to go back to your dashboard, you just have to come to here where it says my blog, and then go to click on dashboard here. So what we need to do is to go to appearance and go to where it says customize. So from here we'll be able to edit our header to change the color to whatever we actually want it to. So what we want to do is we want to go to header and footer. So click on header and footer, then click on where it says start here. So now this is our default header and footer. So what we want to do is click on header here, and then we want to change this color to the green that we are actually using in our website. So then I will come to where it says menu, then I would come down here to where it says color. So here I can change the color of my menu. So I want to be accurate with the type of green it is. So to actually get that, I'll go back to my website. Okay, let me just come here. So I want to get the green color. So I can just come here where it is being used. I click on it here, go to start, then this is the color. So I'll click on it, then I'll copy the color code so that I can be accurate. So I've copied the color code, so I'll come back here. So yeah, so then this is what you do, paste the color code here. So as you can see, it has actually given me the exact green that was actually used in your website. So then I can click on update here. So changes have been changed. So what you can also do, this my WordPress here, my blog here, so we can as well change it. So this is where you can change it, the site logo. So I can decide to just say test color, then I'll come here again and paste the color code. As you can see, it has been added there. So, and that's what to do here. So I'll just click on update. So now that I have updated it, so I should click on preview changes here. So now I'm going to click on home to actually go to our home page, and as you can see, it has actually been updated. So this is our website, our first professional business website. So you can check other pages. So what I want you guys to do for me right now is to actually start practicing this thing. Create your free hosting, create your website on your free host, then install Elementor, Envato, create all your pages, do this and send it to me on our WhatsApp group. I actually want to go, I'll be going through it once you send it to me on our WhatsApp group. And so guys, this will be the end of this video. If you have actually learned something from this video, guys, I want you to actually click the like button on this video, click on the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to also be notified each time I drop educating videos like this regarding WordPress and website design. So that will be all for now, guys. Bye for now.
Crane Tech World.